So here triangle, what we have got, like equilateral triangle is there na, so that is here we'll take for sin 60 and cos 60 and tan 60, now cosecant 60, secant 60. These values we are going to find now. Cot 60. So from this question here we got the values 2a, a root 3 and a na. So we'll take, I'm taking these values here. So this is 30 degrees here, but this is 60 degrees here. From this we have to find. So sin 60, where 60 here? 60 from here. Opposite to opposite by hypotenuse, no? Opposite to 60 to divided by hypotenuse. Opposite is how much? To be a root 3 divided by, and hypotenuse is equal to how much? 2a, no? So a will get cancelled, it will become root 3 by 2 will remain here. And again cos 60 is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent by hypotenuse here? Adjacent is equal to a divided by hypotenuse is equal to how much? 2a na? So a will get cancelled here, 1 by 2 will remain. So from this is hypotenuse, this is adjacent. And here tan 60, what? Opposite by what? Adjacent. So adjacent is equal to how much here? A. So a will get cancelled, under root 3 will remain here. Now cosecant 60 is equal to 1 by sin 60, we know already, is equal to 2 by root 3 will come here. And secant 60 is equal to 1 by cos 60. So it will become reverse, it will become 2 will come here, and cot 60 is equal to 1 by tan 60 is equal to 1 by root 3 will come here. These are the values of sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, cosecant 60, secant 60 and cot 60.